Unit 2. Addition and Subtraction. Addition. Addition with regrouping. Sometimes when we add, we need to regroup. 10 hundreds to 1000. 12 hundreds is equal to 1200. Let us add numbers 5486 and 3902. 5486 plus 3902 is equal to how much? Step 1. Add the ones. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 ones. Step 2. Add the tens. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8 tens. Step 3. Add the hundreds and regroup. 4 plus 9 is equal to 1300 is equal to 1300. Step 4. Add the thousands. 5 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 9000. Answer. The sum of 5486 and 3902 is equal to 9388. Teacher's tip. Get the pupils to practice more and more sums on addition and subtraction. A. An airline took 24,618 people in 1 month and 28,835 people in the following month. How many people flew in both the months? Step 1. Add the ones and regroup. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13 ones is equal to 110 3 ones. Step 2. Add the tens. 1 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 tens. Step 3. Add the hundreds and regroup. 6 plus 8 is equal to 1400 is equal to 1400. Step 4. Add the thousands and regroup. 4 plus 8 plus 1 is equal to 13,000 is equal to 110,000 and 3,000. Step 5. Add the 10,000s. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 5 10,000. Answer. The airline flew 53,453 people in both the months. Estimating the sum. A quick way to estimate the sum of numbers is to round off each number to the nearest tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on, and then add the numbers rounded off. Estimate the sum of 3,842 and 4,978 by rounding the numbers to the nearest hundreds. 3,842 is rounded off to 3,800 and 4,978 is rounded off to 5,000. The estimated sum of 3,842 and 4,978 is equal to 3,800 plus 5,000 is equal to 8,800. Subtraction. Let us subtract 1,489 from 3,645. 3,645 minus 1,489 is equal to how much? Step 1. Subtract the ones. Step 2. Subtract the tens. Step 3. Subtract the hundreds. Step 4. Subtract the thousands. Answer 2156. Check your answer by adding the difference and the smaller number. Answer 3645 minus 1489 is equal to 2156. A man bought a television set cost rupees 28,950 for rupees 23,780 during a sale. How much money did he save? 28,950 minus 23,780 is equal to how much? 28,950 minus 23,780 is equal to 5,170. Answer: he saved rupees 5,170. Subtracting from numbers with zeros. Sometimes when we subtract, we don't have enough ones, tens or hundreds. Then we need to regroup tens, hundreds or thousands. Let us subtract 2395 from 4000. 4000 minus 2395 is equal to how much? Step 1. Regroup thousands. Step 2. Regroup hundreds. Step 3. Regroup tens. Step 4. Subtract. Answer: 4000 minus 2395 is equal to 1605. The shortcut. A shortcut to solve such problems is subtract 1 from both numbers and then subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Estimating the difference. The rules for estimating the difference are the same as those given for estimating the sum of numbers. A. Estimate the difference of 8,394 and 5,137, the nearest hundred. 8,394 is rounded up to 8,400 and 5,137 is rounded down to 5,100. 8,400 minus 5,100 is equal to 3,300. The estimate difference of 8,394 and 5,137 is 3,300. Addition and subtraction together. Making addition and subtraction easier using compensation. Look at the two additions. A. 48 plus 22 is equal to 70. B. 50 plus 20 is equal to 70. The second sum is easier to do. Numbers which have zeros at the end are easier to add. If the given numbers do not end in zeros, we can make them by adding or subtracting a small number. We know that 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 1 minus 1. This means while adding two numbers, adding and subtracting the same number does not change the sum. Now, to make the large numbers easier to add. 1. Write the addends and try to change any one of them into a number which ends in a 0. 2. To do this we need to add, subtract a number from any one number. 3. If we add to make the number end in zeros, then subtract the same number from the other number. We do this so that the first sum does not get affected. Example: add 341 and 286. Solution: 341 plus 286 is equal to 627. Subtract 1, add 1. 340 plus 287 is equal to 627. Generally, the number we use in compensation is 5 or less than 5. In subtraction, when we use compensation, we increase both numbers or decrease both numbers by the same number. Here, we generally try to make the number to be subtracted end in a 0. Example: subtract 305 from 519. Solution: 519 minus 305 is equal to 214. Subtract 5. Subtract 5. 514 minus 300 is equal to 214.